making a small review on the 2017 KTM RC390. So basically I will be sharing some details about the 2017 RC390, and I'll do a small comparison with my 2016 RC also. So hope you guys enjoy the video. And to be true, I'm just loving it. The 2017 RC is butter smooth. I don't know why, but in comparison to the 2016 RC, I feel it very refined, and the braking is superb. The throttle response has improved a lot due to the ride-by-wire, which gives feedback directly through the ECU. And due to the new exhaust system, the sound is amazing now. It is a bit bassy compared to the old RCs. So meet Ashley, who is the owner of the 2017 KTM RC390, who gave his bike to me for a small review. And currently I am not experiencing single vibration on this. Really, it's very smooth and refined to ride. Yeah, it's all new gloss paint. It looks amazing. It's very beautiful. And really, damn, that sound is superb. It's really bassy. Between the 2016 RC and the 2017 RC. So this is absolutely a looker. Looks amazing with the new graphics. This has a new belly pan, and you can see the old belly pan of the 2016 RC. At the corners it used to scrape, but after this I don't think that it will scrape at the corners. Then the main thing is that it has the new exhaust system, complete new exhaust system. It is based on the Euro 4 norms. So then the major change is the new ride-by-wire system, so which gives direct feedback through the ECU. So I felt it's a bit aggressive than the previous 2016 RC. 2017 RC has got the new brakes. It has a bigger disc now, and I have also heard that it has new master cylinder, and the grooves are also very big, so that a proper heat dissipation can be done. As compared to the 2016 model, you can see the disc is a bit smaller with the small grooves on it. Having the braking on this, because the previous generation has a bit spongy brakes on, and then we have got the adjustable levers. So through this knob you can just adjust your position of the levers. You have got for the clutch lever and the brake lever also.